Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete project in DaVinci Resolve 18, remove a project in DaVinci Resolve Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. And once you're already on DaVinci Resolve or you're currently in onto a project, what you need to do in here is to click onto this home icon here onto the bottom part. So if you click onto that, it should go ahead and open the projects in here. So as you can see, I only have one project in here. And for us to be able to go ahead and delete this, you'll just have to right click onto the project and you should be able to find an option to go ahead and delete that. So as you can see, this is the only project that I have in here. So we need to go ahead and make a copy onto this one first, so that it should go ahead and give us an option to delete this, or we could click on new project in here. So we'll create that first. And as you can see, we're currently onto the other project already. So let's head back here. And as you can see, we have two projects already here. So we're going to right click onto the project that we want to delete. And this is the option to delete that. So just simply click on delete, or you could go ahead and use the shortcut key for that, which is shift plus backspace. So click onto that and click on delete again. And you should go ahead and remove that project onto your DaVinci Resolve. And that is how easy you could do it. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.